Grub is taking a nap on the top deck of the Sharksons' home. But what's this? A group of crabs have appeared. They're taking Grub somewhere in his crib. At first he's nervous, but having the crabs carry him is fun. It feels like a theme park ride. The crabs scuttle along the ocean floor, holding Grub up on their pincers. Who's this swimming up? It's Twinkle's starfish. Whoa, Twinkle has sprinkled magic stardust all over the crib. It looks like it's raining stars and diamonds. Grub and the crabs love Twinkle's magic. The crabs are running along, but uh-oh, they've fallen off a cliff. Phew, it's all right, they're bouncing on giant sea sponges. That looks like so much fun. That's a big yawn. Grub is very tired. Bye, Twinkle. It's been such a fun adventure with the crabs. Time to go back home. The crabs reattach Grub's crib. Grub is exhausted. It's been quite the evening. They tuck him in tight and he's off to sleep instantly. Someone is coming. The crabs quickly scuttle away. Stanley is here, but he looks confused. He sees the crab and smiles. Grub's daddy knows he will sleep well tonight.